That's all you need. I might need to change this rope because I'm not convinced that this is going to hold. Oh, I thought that was a spider on me. Where is that? Right here? Yeah. How close did I get? This is the we don't have the washers. Yeah, you may have a little hole you have to drill from this side. That should be good. I kind of went a little too far. That's fine. That's good one. What are you doing there? Oh, there we go. Look at that. Okay. Okay, let's do. So this is the boat ramp. Admittedly, it's a little bit sketchy, but I mean, it works. So what we had rigged up here is we put this Harbor Freight hand winch on this post here. And what you saw us doing in the video is we had to cut this, if I can focus, we had to cut this at an angle so that the angle matches the where it comes off the snatch block right there. So we had to cut down in here, and you can see it's a pretty rough job, but I mean it works. So we put some structural screws, you can see those in the bottom there, into the winch to hold it into the column. So that's not going anywhere. So that goes on the snatch block, which is temporarily attached to the tree with a rope and a D ring before we get like a proper strap. But I mean, honestly, that works for right now. So it'll come off the snatch block and onto the boat where it hooks just with the hook right there. And then if you move underneath, you can see that it only makes contact on the 4 wheels that sit underneath the boat. So what's going to happen is when you saw in the video, when you adjust that to release, it'll slide on the wheels really nice, and it'll slide into the water. I spent about $80 at Harbor Freight for the hardware, and then the actual wood frame that it sits on is the actual wood frame that the boat came in on. So it's not so we didn't build that. We figured we could just reuse what we had, and it works. And then these 4x4s are about 24 inches into the ground, each of them. And then you can see on here there's a little bit of roofing tar that goes, you know, from here down to the base of the 4x4. So it should be somewhat weatherproof. I mean, we'll see how long those last. What we didn't show in the video was we actually coated all the wood with a waterproofing kind of oil. Again, this is just kind of some rough work, so we'll see how long it lasts. Hopefully it lasts a bit of time, but we'll see. And then we just have some carriage bolts that run through the 4x4s. And again, this is just kind of rigged together with pretty rough work, but honestly, it works. So thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions about it, let me know in the comments, and see you.